Ethereum bounced off a crucial support level, and if that sounds interesting to you, make sure to continue watching this video. Hey guys, Pingu Charts here. Welcome back to another Ethereum analysis video. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. As you guys can see on Ethereum, yesterday we did have a beautiful double bottom formation and a nice bounce. Now, there are a few things I want to talk about. Number one, of course, is the fact that how valid is this double bottom formation? In yesterday's video, I mentioned the fact that there is a very high possibility that once we test that 1085 level, we could be looking for a pullback opportunity and then a continuation to the downside. Now, of course, in terms of a double bottom, what we would like to see is a break above these exponential moving averages and possibly a strong bullish engulfing candle, kind of like what we saw right now. In terms of what we currently see is the fact that we are still below the exponential moving averages. We are still using them as resistance. Of course, the 4-hour has not yet closed, so it's still a little bit too early to say how this candle will react. But if we do get a strong bullish momentum and actually break above these exponential moving averages and then find the support, that would indicate that we do have a confirmed double bottom, and we can start to look for a possibly retest around the 1278 to 1331. Now, speaking about a bullish case scenario, it's going to be very important for Ethereum to actually try to break above these crucial resistance levels, because you can see from previous price analysis, we failed to break above these levels multiple times on the 4-hour. Getting above these levels will indicate the fact that the bulls are definitely now in control, and we can start to look for further upside on Ethereum. From a bearish case scenario though, let's say for example we do see a break above these levels and we actually start to retest at 1180, that's going to become extremely interesting. The reason why the 1180, of course, is so crucial is because the fact that you guys can see in terms of a resistance level, if we start to hit that level and actually act as resistance, old support becomes new resistance, right? So if that level starts to act as resistance, that would give us the confirmation that Ethereum is still looking to have a further downside play, and this is just another fake out opportunity. My main level of target is still going to be around the $1,007 mark, which you guys know I have been calling for all the way up here at 1518, and we are starting to get near that level specifically. Now, number two I did want to talk about, of course, is the RSI. We are in oversold area, so I would have expected a bounce at this level anyways, because of the fact that, well, I told you guys this many times, when you start to look for intra or midterm supports, like these support levels that are basically just drawn out as the candlesticks are coming down, these are very crucial for Ethereum overall. You can see that we actually tested this level 4 times before we actually had that move to the upside, so this was an indication that the fact that Ethereum is ready to have a small bounce to the upside. Usually when you have a break formation, what you usually wait for is a strong bullish or bearish engulfing candle to know whether or not we have that continuation. You can see Ethereum was pretty much hitting these exponential moving averages and rejecting very cleanly, but now for the first time we have a strong bullish engulfing candle actually retesting these EMAs. The 20 EMA, of course, is still acting as a very strong resistance point for Ethereum overall, and if we go over and look at the hourly time frames, you can see that we've already had a successful break after a much downtrend on the hourly, and now we are starting to see that wick to the upside. Of course, if we do see this double top formation on the hourly pattern play out, then we could be expecting a major move to the downside. But if we actually use these EMAs and actually find them as support and then the continuation, then things of course would become extremely interesting for Ethereum overall. If that is the case and we do find the support level actually tested around the 1100 mark, we could be looking for a possible move around the 1210, because that's exactly where the move set started. That's where a lot of people are going to be looking to take profits, and that's usually how these formations play out. If you guys are paying attention as well, you can see that in terms of the exponential moving averages, we are now for the first time finding a neutral territory and actually pushing above. The last time we found a neutral territory was up here before the consolidation moved to the downside, so I would not be surprised if we actually find a consolidation zone around these levels and then continue pushing downwards, or actually have that wick to the upside. That's pretty much all I have for you guys today. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button, and thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys have a wonderful day.